Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through registering your Optus SIM card online. Optus has streamlined this process, making it quick and secure. First, purchase your SIM either online or in-store. Next, download the Optus app or visit the Optus website to begin the registration. You'll need to provide personal details like your name, address, and date of birth. The most important part is the ID verification. Optus now uses MyGov ID, allowing you to verify your identity with a biometric scan like facial recognition or fingerprint directly through the app. This replaced older manual document uploads, making the process much faster. Once your ID is verified, activation is simple. Just insert the SIM into your phone. Activation is instant for prepaid SIMs. Postpaid plans may require a credit check. For eSIMs, activation is done over the air, no physical SIM needed. Want to keep your existing number? Optus supports number porting from other providers like Telstra or Vodafone. During registration, you'll need to provide a porting authorization code, PHAC-C, from your current provider. Number porting is free, and Optus now offers instant porting in many cases, transferring your number in as little as 30 minutes during business hours. Finally, let's address potential issues. While Optus aims for seamless activation, occasional app glitches can occur, especially during peak times. If you encounter problems, the Optus AI chatbot can help troubleshoot. If problems persist, contact Optus customer support for assistance. Remember to always keep your personal information secure during the registration process to prevent fraud.